In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Then tap on alarm at the bottom left corner and use this plus at the top. Now you need to adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on days of the week that you wish to choose and click on alarm name. You can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. And when you're done, select Done at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then scroll down and click on all of those switches next to all of those features to turn them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust them by clicking on the chosen ones. Let's start with alarm sound. By operating this slider at the bottom, you can adjust volume of your alarm. By clicking on Spotify, you can log in to your account and use music from it. By clicking on rington though, you need to tap on Allow and apply one of those melodies by clicking on the best one. You can also tap on this plus at the top right corner. Click on this switcher next to play selected highlights to switch them off or on. Click on any song that you wish to apply and select Done at the top right corner. Then manage those two options by clicking on the switchers next to them, and when you finished, go back. By tapping on vibrations, you can apply one of those vibration patterns or select silent at the bottom. By clicking on snooze though, you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you go back this time, scroll all the way down and click on Alarm Background. Then hit Allow All. Tap on Background at the top left corner and pick one of those right away. Then tap on Done at the top right corner to save it. You can also click on Alarm Background, select Background at the top left corner, and this time select one of those gallery albums. In my case, Downloads. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your alarm background. And to save it, select Done at the top right corner. Now to save your alarm, choose Save at the bottom right corner and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and select Save. To switch it off, click on a violet switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by hitting the same, now grey one. To get rid of your alarm, you can always hold it and click on Delete at the bottom right corner to get rid of it. Lastly, you can click on those three dots next to plus icon, select Settings and manage all of them however you wish to, like alarm background for every alarm. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!